What is measurement? Explain its methods and types. We are aware of the quote that whatever exists in some amount. For example, if we have to measure the diameter of a test tube, it is not possible to measure it with a simple scale. Another instrument, vernier caliper, is used for this purpose. Similarly, various different instruments are there to measure different parameters. Thus, measurement is defined as the process of obtaining a quantitative comparison between a predefined standard and an unknown magnitude. Now let us see the different methods of measurements. There are two important methods of measurements: direct methods, indirect methods. First, let us understand the direct methods of measurement. For instance, if we have to measure the length of a bar, we will measure it with the help of a measuring tape or scale directly. Therefore, in the direct methods, we compare the quantity directly with the standards. Now let us understand the indirect method of measurement. For example, we cannot measure stress in the bar. Due to applied force directly, we may have to record some other quantities also, like area and pressure. Thus, the indirect method comprises of the system that senses, converts, and finally presents an analogous output in the form of a displacement or chart. There are three types of measurements: primary measurement, secondary measurement, tertiary measurement. Let us first discuss the primary measurement. A primary measurement is made by direct observation, without involving any translation of the measured quantity, and is determined by comparing it directly with reference standards. For example, matching of two lengths when determining the length of an object with a ruler. The second type of measurement is secondary measurement. Let's understand this with a simple example of bellows, which converts pressure into displacement. Therefore, we can say that a secondary measurement involves only one translation, to be done on the quantity under measurement, to convert it into a change of length. The third type of measurement is tertiary measurement. A tertiary measurement involves two translation. To understand this, let us take an example of a thermocouple. In a thermocouple, the first translation is temperature to voltage. Then the voltage is applied to a voltmeter. Therefore, the second translation is then voltage into length. The length change, which is the tertiary signal, is further transmitted to the observer's brain. Related terms are